Okay, before we start each subtopic, we will give a short introduction about Python programming. I think most of you may know Python. Python is a very popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. This kind of language is widely used for web development at the server side, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. And with the development of the graphics card, the machine learning, now Python are also widely used in AI field. Why we use Python for CTF? First is Python works on several different platforms, such as Mac, PC, and Linux system. And it is designed for readability, so it's easier to learn and use than other programming language. And Python runs on an interpreter system, which means that the code can be executed as soon as possible when you write. You don't need to compile it. This means that the prototyping can be very quick, and you will be easy to debug and improve your code.